Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about if I could only buy from one brand for each category, which brand that would be. So if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Today we have a short video, but for sure a fun one. I have 10 makeup categories and for each I picked a brand. And in this video idea, I would buy just from that brand for that particular category. So let's start in the order of application with primer. And for primer, I decided on Essence because I don't care that much about primer. I like mostly hydrating primers. Those work the best for me. And because of that, I decided on Essence because I absolutely adore this one. This one is empty right now, but I am planning to purchase another one because it is amazing and it's so affordable and it works perfectly for my skin and for the foundations that I have. This is the Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer and it's amazing. I really like it. It is a glass bottle and it is hydrating. I was checking if I have the mic or not and it's there, so it's good. I love this one, and Essence in general has so many types of primers. For this one I was thinking NYX as well, but I really love this primer, so I could just have this one in my collection and be very happy because I have some gripping primers, some glowy primers, but I do really miss this one in my collection. So for this category I picked Essence. Next we have foundation, and for foundation I was thinking that maybe I could pick something luxury or at least high-end, and then I was thinking what brand do I choose, and then I went back to NYX. I love NYX. NYX is one of my favorites, if not my favorite drugstore brand, so I really love this foundation. And they did release another one and it's a more mattifying one and I'm so curious, but it's still not available in Romania. I checked literally today if the foundation is in Romania and it's not, so I am curious about that one. But in general NYX has pretty good foundations. I do like them in general, and concealers as well, but I have another brand for concealers. And yeah, so I decided on this one, on NYX, because I really like the Born to Glow. It is very beautiful on the skin, a more natural finish, a bit glowy but not very glowy, and I really like it. So I am sure that in the future I would find something for myself in the foundation category from NYX as well. For concealer I decided actually on Too Faced because they have this concealer that I absolutely love, and they did release another one in this line, in the Born This Way line, but that one is more illuminating. I didn't try it, but it sounds interesting. And yeah, so I think Too Faced would have concealers for me in the future as well, so that's the reason I picked Too Faced for concealers. For bronzer it's a bit of a different category. For the rest of them I do have at least one product in that particular category, but for this one I decided on Fenty, and that is because I heard so good things about both the cream bronzer and the powder bronzer, and I really like cream and powder bronzers in general, so I wanted a brand where I can find both. And for sure in my next Sephora order I will buy the bronzer from Fenty, the powder one, because I am very curious about it. Next we have blush, and for that I decided on MAC because I absolutely love these two blushes. They are absolutely beautiful. This is the Mineralize blush in the shade Warm Soul, and this one is Sweet Enough. They are both very beautiful. This one is more matte, more on the satiny side, let's say, and this one is glowy, and they have cream blushes as well, so I am pretty sure that in the whole MAC range of blushes I would find something that I love even in the future, so I would be more than happy to have only MAC blushes in my collection. Next I picked for highlighter Natasha Denona, and that is because I absolutely love this Super Glow formula. Is so beautiful on the skin, so luxurious. And as well Natasha Denona has different formulas, cream highlighters, more toned down highlighters, and this one that is very, very high shine. So for sure I would find something in that category from Natasha Denona. The 7th category is brow products, and I went back to NYX because I absolutely love these. This is the eyebrow powder pencil. I repurchased like 6-7 of these, and then I have the lift and snatch, and I grow to love this one so much. It's so good. I have some hairs created with this one in my brow today. So natural, so easy to use, and I really like it. And it is a brush tip applicator, which I really appreciate. And as well, they have so many brow gels. So even though my favorite brow gel is from Too Faced, I would find probably one brow gel for me in the NYX line. And as well, for brow products, I would repurchase this again and again and again. So it's nice that I have a drugstore brand in here. Next we have eyeshadows, and here very predictable, I picked Natasha Denona, and this is very interesting. But if you saw my video with ranking eyeshadow formulas, you know that Natasha Denona was actually on number 2. So check out that video if you want to see what was on number 1. But here I picked Natasha Denona because she has so many color stories, so many formats of palettes. You can remove these shadows and move them around because they have these holes in the back. I like all of these details. So because of that, I decided for this particular idea to have only Natasha Denona shadows. Of course, I would miss my other palettes, the ABH palettes, the Wooden's Eye palettes, the BH Cosmetics palettes, Viseart, etc. But I would enjoy a lot the Natasha Denona shadows. They are amazing and they are very pricey, but at this point I don't even care because I love the formula that much and the color stories, like I said. Let's go back to drugstore because these palettes are very expensive. So for mascaras, at least, I picked Essence again because I absolutely love this mascara, and I know I am 100% sure that I will find in the future a mascara from Essence. If they are discontinuing this or something in the future, I am sure that they will still have a mascara for me. This is the Lash Princess, the curl and volume one, the pink tube. This is my favorite mascara from the drugstore and I love it. I just love it so much. I'm not wearing it today, but it's a voluminous and beautiful mascara. It's one of my favorites. I did repurchase it a bunch of times. So for mascaras, I am more than confident that Essence will have something for me. Lastly, it was a very interesting category. We have lip products, and again I was thinking NYX or maybe Huda Beauty or something like that, but after looking into my collection and thinking a bit more, I decided actually on VIEVE. This is a bit unexpected even for me. I love these. They are luxurious, comfortable, amazing formulas. Let's start with the lip pencil. This is in Bark and it's a stunning brown. It's a creamy pencil, but not too creamy and smeary. It's right in the middle, not stiff, but not very creamy, and it stays on the lips really nice. And then I have a lipstick from VIEVE, and look at this packaging. It is animal print. I don't know if you can see it because it is very shiny. And look at my nails. I literally have animal print on my nails, so I absolutely adore animal print. And this lipstick is a stunning brown color, but it's a bit lighter. It is perfect for my skin tone. It is in Ninetease and it's creamy, but a bit on the more matte side, but it's not drying. It is called the Modern Matte Lipstick. So it is a bullet lipstick, but a bit matte. It's one of my favorites again. And then I have the Lip Dew, the glossy lip oil from VIEVE, and this is a really good description for it. glossy lip oil, because it's not just a lip oil. It has a bit of color, it's this orangey shade, but it's nothing crazy, and is hydrating but glossy and very beautiful. So I decided on VIEVE because I like all of these three. They don't have liquid lipsticks so far, but I could see myself buying that in the future if they are releasing one, and I could be pretty confident that I would like it because these three are impeccable lip products. So considering that, I picked VIEVE for this category, and I really hope they will release a liquid lipstick because I really like that type of formula. So this was everything, a pretty short video like I said. Please let me know if you have any favorite brand for one category in particular. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.